Hello everyone, this is part 3 of chemistry. We're studying the first unit of class 11th. So, we have earlier studied about matter and the nature of matter. Right now, we're understanding the properties of matter. So, every substance has unique or characteristic properties. These properties can be classified into categories. One is physical properties. So, physical properties are observed without changing the identity or composition of the substance. So, physical properties can be observed without changing the identity or composition of the substance. The definition of substance we have already dealt in the previous part. And chemical properties. To observe chemical properties, to observe chemical properties, a chemical change occurs. We can better understand this with some examples. Physical properties are color, odor, melting point, boiling point, density, etc. Chemical properties example is acidity, basicity, combustibility, etc. So, like we said, to observe or measure combustibility, the process of combustion needs to happen. So, chemical change is required to observe chemical properties. So, when we talk about qualitative properties like color and quantitative properties like length or mass, we use certain measurements for them. So, quantitative observations. They are represented by a number followed by a unit. Example 6 meter. 6 is a number, meter is a unit. So earlier we had different systems for measurements, the metric system, English system. But there was a need for some common standard system, and in 1960 we got the International System of Units, the SI system, in which we study the 7 base units. The 7 base units are length. The symbol for length is L, small l. SI unit is meter, symbol small m. For mass, the symbol is small m. SI unit is kilogram, its symbol is kg. Time, small t. SI unit is second, symbol is small s. Electric current, symbol is I, capital I. SI unit is ampere, capital A. Thermodynamic temperature, capital T. SI unit is Kelvin, symbol capital K. Amount of substance, symbol small n. SI unit is mole, symbol is MOL. Luminous intensity, SI unit is I subscript V, and symbol is I subscript V, and SI unit is candela, symbol CD. So these are all the base units. In NCERT you can find the definition for all of these. For example, the standard that is used to note the measurement for meter is, all those definitions are given. If you want to further understand this, you can quickly go through the definition in your NCERT. Also, prefixes. Normally prefixes are not very much used. Even out here, the kilo is a prefix. 10 to the power 3. When we indicate multiples or submultiples, we use prefixes. Some prefixes are normally used, like nano, 10 to the power minus 9. In more complex calculation, you use prefixes. So this was all for part 3. Thank you.